So we're here at PARC with Caleb Quanbeck, and we're here at the Shotgun Bash. So we're going to give a bunch of people ride-alongs today. We got a bunch of our homies here that are going to be thrashing as well. But first off, we're going to put him in one of the school cars and see how he reacts to it.
Silver.
He's going to drive the silver car. All the school cars are S52 powered M3s with 391 diffs, BC coilovers, drifts wheels that are properly spaced to work with SLR steering. So it's like 65 degrees of steering angle. All of the bushings are all proprietary for it and are monoball, so we can get proper alignment and have good transition through the suspension. They also all have NRG seats, roll cages, wheels, and pretty much everything that this car needs to do some drifting and have some fun. So
it's my first BMW experience.
So he's never drifted a BMW in his life. And that's perfect though, because he has drifted in other things and he's done pretty well. So it'd be good to get him in this and see how fast he can get acquainted with it, right?
Yeah, well, I'm hoping we're just gonna go out and go. One lap is perfect.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you go out, do a lap, feel it out, come back, give me what you feel on it.
Yeah.
And if you need me to change anything, we can change stuff. They're pretty easy to change, but they're pretty dialed as is right now. And then we'll go out and shoot some tandem stuff.
Sick, let's do it.
All right, bro, have fun.
Yeah, thank you.
Killed it! I killed it! Yeah, I know the steering.
Like now my car's gonna feel weird on how to hold the wheel, but like once that works,
yep. Yeah, I mean, you were driving up on me, staying where you needed to be. You looked good when I was chasing you. It's super balanced, right?
The only time you use the clutch is like when you dig and you pull on the angle and you're just trying to dig out.
It's like a mini V8.
Yeah.
But honestly, with the grip and how the car's set up, it's got plenty of jam, right?
It works really good.
Cool.
And like, that's not
sure
me just trying to, he's my homie and I'm trying to hype him up. This car works phenomenal.
Well, Well, you drove 6 laps, 3 of which were tandem, and that worked, and you were ripping, so it's fine. It's good. Sick. He can't wait.
Dude, he's sick.
Yo, so take that car for a lap, feel that out, take a seat pad if you need one.
Yeah.
Probably 340 NA.
Put that in the photo.
It's the same motor as that.
Oh, okay.
That's the strip because of the tune that's on it, and the suspension set up just for chasing.
Okay, the steering wheel's like this, the handbrake's like this, opposite to my car.
Oh, right. You ripped though.
Yeah, it worked.
No, you were shredding.
Wasn't it?
Like smoke to the front
You
door
filmed it?
handle. It was
Chelsea?
It was ripping pretty good.
Cool. That was a lot of fun.
I was saying
Both
the steering's better in this though.
Oh no, that's what I was saying. That they're completely different. In this one, in a different way. More.
Yeah, the rear suspension in
More-
this car is totally different. It's terrible.
Yeah.
That's my best attempt at making it good.
Is that why there's no side by?
And I have it spaced out. Because when I'm chasing people, I like to be able to float in behind them and then drive off the gas.
Yeah.
That car is meant to just be you don't spin because it's got good side bite.
Like, you weren't even like sitting on the left foot brake when I was chasing you in that car.
No, I was on the brakes like the whole thing. He missed the memo about not blasting the straightaway.
So we can't do that?
No. You roll in and take off. All right, this is the first lap ever with 4 people. And it's the first lap ever drifting this car. I figured we might as well test it in its use.
Caleb's driving that car really good.
Well, that might be too far for an iPhone. Yeah.
How's that?
I don't have my mic with me. That's probably good.
We'll just talk loud.
Just kind of cup the outside of the phone so that it directs the mic forward.
Yeah, so just hold it like this.
Yeah.
Like that, so the sound kind of comes off.
All this is recorded.
Yeah, but you just
Perfect.
cut it out.
No, we'll just leave that in there. All right. It's good.
tractor.
All right, so yesterday was the shotgun bash, which ended up being pretty awesome. No one actually showed up with a shotgun. I was concerned about that a little bit, especially with the original flyer that had 2 shotguns crossed in the back of it and didn't have much about drifting. And we're in the sticks, so definitely could have happened. But yeah, so we got to give you some rides and laps in the school car, and then I got to follow you a bunch with you and your comp car. And it's been pretty rad. It was a good day. What do you think?
Oh my God. Everybody that showed up, all the drivers, all the fans, 200 plus people, 200 plus laps. Our cars might have been the only ones that stayed together.
I know.
Yeah, but big shout out to everybody that came here to break their car and went home with a broken car.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you to everybody that came out on a Monday. This is my first experience driving a BMW, and probably need one.
It's ridiculous.
One time, eventually, one day I'll have one. And
this is the best thrash car.
yeah, this is a recipe for a low horsepower, easy to drive car.
That can door your car. And there was like some turbo LS thing
900
yesterday.
horsepower.
And I was like, can you just get out of the way?
Oh.
Like I was like dooring the shit out of it. He was ripping. He had way more angle than me. But I was able to in drift stay on his door pretty solid. So testament to the school car and the fact that anybody can jump in this and kill it with pretty much anyone besides like a FD car, you know?
Yeah.
And even then, still, Cameron was out with his FD car, which was detuned for the day. Yeah. And we were still able to at least stay and have some fun with it.
I'm just going to say I was driving through Cameron.
You were driving pretty hard.
But I think I'm going to put out a video from today. It's going to be like 30 minutes long, I'm guessing.
So go to his channel, and watch that. I'll put the link at the bottom so you can see that.
And
Caleb Quanbeck.
Obviously this video as well. And I wish I could do this every day. I'm sore.
Yeah.
The car is sore.
I had jello legs when I got out.
Oh my God, my clutch is rough.
I did like over 200 laps yesterday in 3 hours.
Insane.
That's like doing a NASCAR 500 lap.
Dude, it was like
race.
NASCAR pit stops. Like my dude
was.
Would, like somebody be out of the car and in the car in 20 seconds.
Check the tires, bleed the tires down, and then it would drop and
boom,
take
gone.
Off. You ready to go? Helmet check. Let's roll.
Oh man, it was so sick.
Yeah, it was awesome.
I'm gonna drive back to Florida, dude. Thank you so much for
Thank
having me, and thank you to all of you for showing up.
Later.